In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, I'd like to show you how you can take the audio track that's part of a video you have in your project and export only the audio track for any kind of use that you have in mind. How do you take it out and export it? The process is really pretty simple. I have an interview here on this component of this video. I'm going to click on it to activate it, and then I'm going to press the home key to get to the beginning. And then I'm going to press the R key. That will give me my range. And the range will go to the end of the project, which happens to be the end of this video. Now, if I want to export this as a separate audio file, how do I do that? I click on the Export button at the very top, and it will save the project as it is, and it will give me this screen. Now, normally we just work on the video, but I'm going to click on the second item over, which is audio. Now I'm clicking on the audio. It has a file location I can determine where I want, and I can give it a name. I'm going to call this my test. I can do a format, and I have several to pick from. I could use a WAV file if I want to, or M4A or WMA. I'll do a WAV. And then I have a codec I can use. If I want more information to be able to choose from, I'll click on the Advanced button, and I can choose stereo or true theater sound, or I can upload it to the cloud. We won't do any of that. So all I have to do is click on Export, and we'll see our bar move across the screen, giving the amount of time necessary to do that. And I'll pause while it does that. In this particular case, it took 39 seconds to do that. It moves the playhead to the beginning of the project. If I want to see where the file is, I can click on Open File Location. And here is the My Test WAV file that we have. And if I play it, I would be able to hear that audio or use it in any kind of context I wanted. I'm going to close that and close this. And we'll go back to our video here. So this is the very simple way in which you can do that. You do not have to split the audio from the video, and you haven't impacted anything inside the project. It has not added it to my options. So it's not also in the media room, but it is available on your system wherever you want. So that's the very simple way of extracting audio from a video and exporting it from PowerDirector.